My name is Pia Mirvol, and I'm happy to present my exhibition series Art Avatar, first presented in Centre Pompidou in 2014, where I created a complete immersive and interactive environment using sensors where the public could present or create an avatar or a sculpture based on my research with sculpture and painting as animated forms. I wanted to give the public another way of experiencing and learning about my ideas, and so Art Avatar is really another way of thinking about making exhibitions and how to involve the public. In Art Avatar 2, it happened in the Science Museum in Sandnes, Norway. And as you can see, I'm presenting each exhibition as an app, like you have on your phone, but you can walk inside, and there is a virtual mirror or a virtual replica of the exhibition that you will be able to see on screens when you enter into the space. The virtual mirror is a very important idea as an artist, because today we are at a change where language can evolve through three-dimensional form presentation. Like you see here, it's my sculptures that are transforming and creating a kind of a new narrative in visual art. But I also think that it means that in our time we will start to look at concepts and transmit concepts in virtual reality, where we can see holistic ideas and we can grasp them in a different way than in the traditional linear sense. Here you see the virtual mirror, and the public have an app, and they can play and create an avatar through a kind of evolving design parameters, and through a kind of tracking system in the space. The public can enter areas in the exhibition. See here she's tracking, and then she's seeing her avatar in the space, and now she starts to work with her arms and her body and movement, also affecting the sound that we can hear in the room. And for me, this has become a very interesting extension of the experience of the virtual mirror and the interface design, because we realize that the public is becoming a kind of performer. And me as an artist and designer of the space, I'm actually trying to facilitate that through creating a very nice and relaxed environment where people feel comfortable with moving, even if they're in front of someone else. The plasticity and the experience of the form is also another way of thinking about sculpture, and relating your body movements to that is also something that is useful in an experience. Here we are in the sculpture park, and it's one of the other interactive stations in the exhibition. Each avatar that has been created by the public will be placed into the sculpture park while they are in the exhibition. And through the navigator, they can also play with that. They can go back and forth, and the sound is stronger when you are inside, and it starts to fade out when you leave your avatar and come into somebody else's avatar, like here. The scale of the sculpture park is many kilometers, and it's also full of my artworks that you see in the horizon as kind of giant sculptures. To create this exhibition, I work with other artists, specifically Jan Min, who modeled the virtual reality, and Eric Wenger, who is programming the interface design and also is the creator of the sculpture park. But it's a big project. It has a lot of technology. There is tracking, sensor base, and also right now at the cutting edge between virtual reality and augmented reality. I'm trying to work on this in this space in this time of development in art.